With the impact of AI technology, impact on human AI is to improve productivity and using our brain to think for a better solutions.
What if I told you the world is changing faster than any time in human history? Artificial intelligence is transforming how we work, learn, and live.
Tasks that once took hours can now be completed in minutes.
AI can analyze billions of data points faster than any human brain.
The future isn't coming. It's already here.
Amherst serving you. Follow us for more future technology stories.
It's time for us to change to improve productivity, lower overhead costs, and improve profits, revenues.